Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. It's another Woodside Wednesday, and we're in Syracuse, Utah, looking at the Stillwater Solitude community. We'll be taking a tour of the Aspen model. Let's get started.
How's it going, Facebook? This is Landon Musman with Woodside Homes, and we are out at the Stillwater Solitude subdivision. We're gonna go walk through one of our model homes today, the Aspen plan. Starts at $295, but we have houses anywhere from $260 to $300. So most of our floor plans are ranged between 1,500 square feet and 2,100 square feet. Minimum of 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and you can get up to 4 bedrooms and some loft space. So let's head on in and we'll take a walk through it and show you what we have to offer out here at Stillwater. We have a unique product out here where buyers are able to get into a brand new single-family home for the same price that you would pay for a townhouse or a resale product that is 30 to 50 years old. So this kind of showcases what a lot of buyers are going to get when they purchase with Woodside Homes. Coming into the kitchen space, all of our floor plans are going to be open concept. They're all going to have the nice open kitchen going into our living room space. This showcases our beautiful island that you can work with, gas, appliances, cabinets. We have the 9-foot ceilings on this plan. This plan is about 1,800 square feet, just over. You can add some extra square footage. You can move the laundry room that we have here on the main floor up above where I'm standing and close that off, adding some extra square footage. Or you can keep it nice and open so it gives that grand entry feel. On the main floor we do have a powder bathroom. It's been awesomely decorated by our designers, as well as our laundry that is on the main floor. In that same space above, you're able to add a loft space as well. So if you want to add an extra 68 square feet to your home, we have a lot of versatility in all of our floor plans out here that allow you to really customize exactly what you need for your family. Coming upstairs, one of the things that I love about this home is the amount of natural light coming in. You can see we have lots of big windows coming in, big windows in the entry space that really open up this plan. As it's set up right now, it comes with 3 bedrooms, these 2 bedrooms, and then a full bath upstairs. We have this bedroom currently set up as an office space. Just shows you what can be done in our homes. Our bedrooms in this plan are bigger than your standard. This is going to be an 11 by 13 bedroom. This one over here is going to be an 11 by 12 bedroom. And every nook and cranny of our homes we pack with the most versatile function possible. So everywhere where there is an open space, we're going to add linen closets. We're going to make sure that there's no wasted space inside the home. Coming into the master, this is my favorite master that we have. We're going to showcase in here our vaulted ceiling option. You can see a lot of natural light into the master. We got the windows on the back, the windows on the side, can lighting in here. But the best part of this plan is the master bathroom. It's going to come with a his and hers closet, or how we like to sell it as a hers and hers closet, with the his closet coming over here inside the little linen closet. Comes with a separate toilet area, and this showcases one of our nicer options with the freestanding tub, full tiled shower, full tile surround. We have the double sinks on this plan as well. And this really gives you a good idea of what is possible in our starting homes out here in Stillwater Solitude. A lot of our buyers out here are first-time homeowners. They're moving up from the rental phase into their first home. A lot of young families. We have a ton of kids, and we have a lot of stuff up and coming. We have a brand new elementary school coming out here in the next 3 to 5 years. Mount Davis corridor is going to be coming just across the way here, which is going to give you a nice 30-minute commute to Salt Lake City. We have a big 52-acre park. That's 52 acres of city park going in just across the street. They're just about finished with our workout facility, clubhouse, and swimming pool. Those will all be ready by spring. And the best part of this whole thing, $75 HOA fee. So most HOA fees are not getting anything for $75. You get all your front yard landscaping, you get all the maintenance for it. It comes fully fenced, clubhouse, workout facility, swimming pool, and then a lot of growth. We have another upcoming 200 lots that we're going to be building across the street here. So we have plenty of lots, plenty of room to grow, but the prices are going up. So the sooner you can get in and come and get a lot reserved, the faster we can lock in your price and get you built. We're about an 8 to 9 month build time right now, but we do have lots of inventory homes coming up. So if you're in the 3 month, the 4 month, the 5 month, or if you need a house immediately, we have something for you. So come on out, Stillwater, Solitude, off the Layton Parkway exit, off the I-15. Take Gentile all the way down. If you keep going till you think the road's gonna end, that's where you're gonna find us. Thanks and have a great day.
To learn more about this home and community, click the links in the description, and be sure to tune in for more new home showcases.